to, is it? Oh no, I should have got up for sunrise. That would look sick. I've been on the church. Oh, shit. Well, it's about 8, I think. Something. Just gone 8 day. What is it? 8? Maybe? Yeah. Day 8. To get used to it now though. Right. Feel like this is just the normal. Like I've been on the road forever. I'm never going to want to go back, I tell you. This is just such a chill way of living. But obviously, if I wanted to stay out here, I need to figure out a way of earning some money. Because, you know, as lovely as it would be, you can't live anywhere really for free. Although my budget is very, very low, that's why I'm trying to conserve my money as much as possible. You know, I've still got money, and when it's gone, then I have no food, no diesel, no nothing. I just have to park somewhere and eat grass. So it'll be alright for a while though. Oh. Sunglasses. I was just just reading the comments on yesterday's video. Do enjoy this bit. This is the best bit about making these videos, reading all your comments. Like HW100 put loving the vlogs, mate. It's good thinking always to wear your tap shoes, so if the feeling grabs you can just dance. Oh dear. They pretty much are tap shoes. I don't know why they're so flipping loud. Felt like I was waking everyone up walking through that village the other day. Is it? Well, yesterday, day before. I don't even flipping know where we are. Coffee, that's what I need. Oh, there we go. I had a quick look last night, just trying to work out. Have a great day, mate. I will do, thank you. Yeah. Data wise, I've used 5.1 gig. Now, let's say these videos are going to be 300 meg. Where are we at? Calendar 26, so 7, 14, 21, 22 days I need to go. So that's 6.6 gig. That's assuming that they're all 300 meg. So that's just on video. And then obviously got like Instagram, and when I'm tractor, when I'm using the internet for whatever, you know, to find the next spot or something. I don't know, it's going to be tight. I think, I had a little look, I don't really understand it. I think you can buy like data add-ons, I think. So if I do run out, I think you can just buy like 5 gig or whatever. So that's probably what I'll have to do. I'll find a way, don't worry, I'll keep them coming. But probably end up costing me money. No, well, be worth it, won't it? I'm literally in heaven right now. Can't ask for anything more. Just waking up like to this, mad. Work on me crappy English tan for half an hour, and then go edit yesterday's video. I think I got that van tour pretty much shot, but I need to stitch it together. That'll take a little bit. I had to do it in 2 different places, so I had to do the inside in that forest, and then it got too dark to film the outside, so I had to film that up on that big hill that I was at yesterday. So it's not going to be like really fancy or anything, it's just, you know, basic walkthrough. I think I've covered pretty much everything, I hope. But there's no chewing gum in this one, so people can't whinge. Although I imagine if it gets as many views as the last one did, there'll be plenty of people whinging about the quality and stuff, but oh well. It's what it is, isn't it? So, right. Right. I've just set the laptop off rendering for the 3rd time today. And an absolute stinker. So, if this next, or this will be tomorrow, won't it? So, if this last video was a bit shit, it's because I've had to remake it 3 times. Because each time the laptop has crashed, and I've lost the save file, as it corrupted. So I had to start from scratch 3 times over. Oh, yeah, sorry about that if it's crap, but yeah. That right there is less than ideal. Check my oil quick while we're here. Make sure we're all good. We should be fine. Let's check it anyway, ain't it? It's not very often I'm on nice level ground, so yeah, spot on. "45 minutes, I'm just going to go lie in the sun for half an hour while that uploads." Very, very, very warm in the cab right now. I forgot to put the thing on the window. Dying isn't the word. And I'm not in the best mood. Well, I wasn't, because I just had to sit for 2 hours to wait for that upload. It's kind of screwed my day up a little bit, but oh well. I'm going to move now though. Because this spot, there's only these 2 places, so it's kind of unfair, isn't it, to stay again just in case anyone else wants to come. So I've got the best spot, so I'm not going to drive very far though. There's literally 3 kilometres from here. Like, bloody hell. I think I'm going to stay in this area. Right, I'm just going to go have a look at this one. It's only 14 kilometres, so if it's, let's see what it's like. If it's nice, you can stay. If it's pish, you can carry on driving. It's not that late, it's only 6 o'clock, so. I don't want to, I think probably Switzerland from here, I bet it's only like 100 kilometres or something. But I don't want to go there yet, because I want to, right before I go in, I want to put a full tank of fuel in, and I want to go to the shop again before, just because I don't want to swap any of get their money. Just can't be bothered, and I don't want to have to buy anything there because it is quite dear. I know the fuel was definitely more expensive last time I went, so see if I can just drive through on 1 tank, hopefully. We'll see, we'll see. Forest is mental. Sick. I can't believe there's a road going through it. Perfect house. Look at this. Oh. somewhere that I wouldn't mind living. How much? Gorgeous round here, guys. I don't know exactly what region, I mean, like what area. I can only say the place name, but I'll have a look and I'll put it on this video. Slow and steady for sure with this. Seat. I can't do anything about it. I'm against the steering wheel. Yeah, back up onto normal road. Some serious gardening right there. Again. On top of another one of these hills again. I think the marketplace is in this village. That's what it's called. Es Mullers. This is the spot or not. The sat nav saying around there somewhere. The sign's down here somewhere.
Turn right.
Ah, we have another camper. It's a bit of a boring spot though. I don't know, we'll see. Is that it? Don't know about that. It's a bit vague. This one's a bit rubbish. Also, there's no phone signal. There's nothing around here really either. It's just in the middle of a field. With fences all around. Just gonna have a look on the app now. See if there's anything else near. Bit alright, like if I was desperate, I wouldn't mind. It's just a spot, ain't it? But seeing as I've got all the time in the world, I might as well find one cool. I'm starving, actually. Might just stay here, actually. I'm just looking at this map now, and there's where I am. There's a big gap. See, so we're here and we need to be going sort of down. There's a few here, but they're sort of around cities. Well, I don't know if it's a city, but town, like that's quite a big looking town. That's quite, you know, that's definitely a town. It's got that motorway going into it. And then it's obviously going to be quite big, but there's nothing in this gap. The next ones are these down here, and they're sort of 60 odd kilometres away, and it's 8 o'clock, so I don't think I can be asked, to be honest. I might as well just stay here for the night and then drive to one of them ones maybe tomorrow. Switzerland is literally, I'd say, 70 kilometres from here. Yeah, we're close. No point rushing it, is there? Might as well just stay here for the night and then decide what to do tomorrow, eh? I mean, I suppose it's not too bad, is it? I'm just being a picky bastard. basically, because I can. But yeah, I think tonight we'll just call it. Right, tonight's dinner is on the go. It's gonna be something. I was going to use carbonara sauce, but I've only got one left, so I think I'll go for one of these. What have we got? Tomato and mushroom. That'll do. Making life easy for yourself, you just whack it in. Thing is, I can cook, you know, a few bits and bobs, a few meals and stuff, but it's not really worth it, you know, when you're on your own. It's a bit of a waste, really. I don't have any mince, so I was going to buy some in that shop, but because I've only got a fridge, it only lasts so long, I would have had to eat it straight away. So normally on these trips I don't buy any like raw meat, really. I might buy a steak at some point, treat myself, and I just buy like the pre-cooked or whatever stuff. Oh, that sauce is good. Can't have pasta without cheese. I've only got a little bit. That'll do. A little hint of cheese. Look at that, eh? If you squint really hard, I almost look like a normal person. With a nice view. Right, I'm going to tuck in. I think you guys have seen my table yet, have you? Simple, just that one over there, and then the leg sort of folds, it stores in there. I can't remember if I've shown you it or not. Anyway, I'm going to eat. That was decent. Probably going to call it there for today, I think. Unless I do anything else, but it's only going to be a short one, I'm afraid. So, that's how it is, isn't it? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.